So I like trying out budget barber tools because not everyone is going to be spending hundreds of dollars on their setup, especially in the beginning. Some people are just getting started. Some are cutting at home. Some are just figuring things out as they go. Trust me, we all started somewhere. I've been there too. So today we're going to be checking out this $40 Ufree Clipper and Trimmer Kit from Amazon, just to see who it's for, what you actually get, and if it's worth adding to your setup. Right away, you can tell that they pack a lot into this kit for the price. Inside, you get a clipper, a detachable trimmer. By the way, both machines are cordless. You get multiple guards for both machines. You get a charging cable, blade oil, a cleaning brush, a trimmer blade with an adjustable guard by a dial, nose and ear trimmer attachment, a comb, storage pouch, and a user manual. You basically get everything you need to start cutting right away without having to buy the pieces separately. And you also get everything you need to groom yourself at home, basically. One thing I've learned from barbering is that the journey itself matters more than the tools that you start with. Some people are gonna start in a shop or school with, clippers provided for them. But some, like me, just start in their basement or garage, and they start on their friends and family. Honestly, your first setup is rarely your forever setup, but it is the thing that gets you started in the journey of this very fulfilling barbering career. And that's where affordable kits like this come in. So starting with the clipper, my first impression is that it actually feels way better than expected. It's all metal, so it's got a bit of weight to it. It's not this like super light or cheap feeling clipper that you sometimes get with budget tools, because both machines are all metal. The lever moves pretty smooth, and for basic fading and general cutting, it gets the job done. Motor wise, it has a 6,500 RPM motor, which is honestly strong enough. Now the higher the RPMs doesn't necessarily mean the better of a clipper it makes. And this thing, it actually sits at a very comfortable RPM where it's not too aggressive, it's super forgiving. It can cut through bulk surprisingly well, honestly. The blade isn't amazing by any means, but it didn't pull or snag on any client, and it didn't get hot. So for the price, that's all you can really ask for. And honestly, this motor's been strong enough to cut through most of the hair that I've used it on. So now the trimmer. It's decent for lineups and beard work. I find it's best for debulking for bald fades. It's not a super aggressive trimmer out of the box, so don't expect to have really sharp, crispy lines like you'd get from other higher end trimmers. And I did mostly use the T-blade attachment for this, but I imagine the small blade with the adjustable guard would be really good for travel, because you have all the guards you need to be able to maintain your beard on the go, and as well as a sharp enough blade to be able to maintain your lines as well. This is a very convenient system that you don't see very often. Most of the time I've seen clippers having a detachable guard system, like the old Osters or the current Andis detachable blade systems. So it is really unique to see a trimmer be able to have a nose and ear trimmer attachment, a smaller blade with an adjustable guard attachment, and then your regular T-blade attachment. Honestly, for cleaning up, basic outlining, and general grooming, it gets the job done. And having both these tools together for this price is a real win. You don't have to put a setup together, buy all these different things as a barber kit. You kind of just buy this one kit and you have everything you could need to start cutting hair, whether that's for yourself at home or if you're trying to practice barbering and you're practicing on your friends or your family. If you're learning barbering, this kind of setup is super useful because you're just getting the reps in. You're not stressing about messing up your expensive tools or dropping them. You're just focused on fading, practicing the craft, and improving. You're getting used to holding the tools and getting a grasp of what barbering is. And that's where you're gonna get the most improvement, is when you're just focused on getting the job done, cutting the hair at an affordable price point. Overall, the biggest thing this kit has going for it is value. You get a clipper, a detachable trimmer, guards, and all the basics in one box for a very accessible price of around 40 to 50 bucks. If you're a beginner barber or a student or someone just cutting at home, a kit like this makes sense. If you're already working full-time in a busy shop, this kit probably isn't for you. You know, everybody starts somewhere, and not every tool is meant to be forever, especially your first set. This is a great option to look at if you're looking for an inexpensive home grooming kit, or if you're just starting out on your barbering journey. If you're into barber content, tool reviews, shop lifestyle kind of videos, stick around. Thanks so much for watching this video.